It sounds so weird to say it, but the only original pieces of metal of this car are the firewall and the middle top trunk pan and what's left of the roof. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. You know, we got lemon lime here. It's been a while. Where we at? Episode 27. It's probably been about 6 months since I put a video out. Car has been back home for a while, a couple months, but you know, life happens. Kind of went into the new year on a downward spiral, but things are slowly picking their way back up. That's life, you know, things happen. But I've been looking at this car every day, and I figured, you know what, it's Sunday, it's time to put a video out, time to bring you guys some more stuff to watch. Gary, I see you. I got some couch content coming for you. But I just want to do a walk around video. I got a lot of things that have been moving and shaking, I guess is the best way to say it. I got some custom parts, one-off pieces being made for the rolling chassis. Fellow YouTubers making those, so got some updates on those when those get completed. But I just wanted to make a video. Been looking at lemon lime just sitting here shining. Figured it's time to put a video together. So stick around and let's see what we do. Well, I know you've heard the saying, dreams to reality. It really is starting to feel like reality, like my dream is coming to life. You know, I've wanted this car since I was 16, and it's actually becoming a car again. You know, this is a donated rolling chassis because the one I sent the car with was trashed. But I have a brand new rolling chassis in the shop, and now I have a brand new car to go on it. Like I said, the firewall is the only original piece, and what's left of the roof, the doors, quarters, trunk, so much, and it's all been done so well. Howie really did his thing on this, did things that I didn't even know needed done, you know, like to get repop quarters and doors to look that good. Look how good that door gap is. They didn't look that good, but they do, you know. I didn't know you had to do surgery and move it and cut it and weld it. But like I said, Howie is the man you need to build your car. Doors never open this good, never close this good. Before you'd have to like lift the door up and push it in. And now, you know, I don't even have any rubber gaskets in there yet, but it's only gonna get better. And it's just, you know, the gaps just look so good. The lines and everything. I feel like we have beaten the repop curse with lots and lots of hours of overtime. I have a original gas door that I ordered, so I have to put that in here still. But we put 2 new taillight pockets, went through 3 or 4 trunk lids, new taillight pocket, and everything just looks so good. I mean, it's so cool to make this video because I get to walk around the car and really appreciate all the hard work that's gone into it. I mean, if you had a Ferrari and you had this car in a parking lot, it'd be a tough choice. about 100% choice, I would pick this car. And I am a Ferrari lover, so that just tells you how much I love this car. So recently I threw my back seat in here just to kind of, you know, small steps still equal a mile over time. So I'm just trying to do a little bit every day to get closer to the finish line. I purchased a new dash cluster. If you can see, this one is missing two key features. There is no AC vent right here, and there is no RPM jack right here, and this car needs both of those options. So I purchased the new dash cluster that has both of those options. It's actually OG, it's not brand new, but that will be going in soon in a future episode. Piles of car parts, that's what it takes to build a car. So I've been lucky enough to have a friend basically give me an entire car full of trim, all OG trim. So I've been going through it and looking and finding pieces that I don't have, like this. Never came on my car, and this one's in really good shape, no dings in it. And I've been told that there is a lady locally that does this for a living, that will take OG trim and, you know, get the little dings out and polish it up and make it look brand new. So that's my goal. You know, like I never had this piece from my car, you know, the passenger headliner trim. There's just so much, so many important pieces. And I've learned from doing that car that repop isn't what you should be doing. You know, you shouldn't just go in a magazine, order all new parts. You should find the challenge in finding the OG parts and taking the time to refurbish them and build a car the way that everybody else is doing it, instead of just the easy way to do it. So that's what I've kind of been doing lately. Like I said, why I wanted to make a video is just show you things have been happening, but it's not all super exciting at the moment. You know, sometimes you just gotta pile parts on top of parts and stockpile everything. And I do still have my bucket seats, and I have, you know, the upper shelf up here is all new car parts. Like the brackets still have to be welded into the floor pan to hold the bucket seats. And luckily the guy that gave me all of this trim, he was a fortune teller, because he could tell my future that I always wanted green glass. And he gave me driver's and passenger door glass. I have driver's and passenger vent windows, and I have a back window, all green glass. So he must have known that as a kid I always wanted green glass, because now I have it. I just have to buy a windshield and quarter windows, and then I'll have a complete car. And, you know, I'll probably go and get a couple new pieces of the trim, just so everything fits together nicely. You know, like these are new and they look great. A lot of people know I'm a creative, and if you don't, you should. This big wooden frame is a new little hobby I've taken up. I started a second business, and I've been making custom rugs. I've been going to car shows for the last few years, and every time I go to a car show, you know, people have the name of their car, or they have something really cool, some of their logos or branding and stuff. So I decided to look into it, figure out what it took to make them. And so I started another company making custom rugs. And some of these are not complete, but they're all really cool. I'll put it on a screen. It's called Pile House Studios. And it's a new company I started just to be creative, but to also find another way to make some cool stuff. This one is going to a friend that lives in Vietnam. This one was my first real challenge. I have about 60 hours in that rug. It's a really cool piece. But yeah, go on Instagram or Facebook and look up Pile House Studios, and you will be able to purchase or send a DM and get a custom rug made. Love to make one for you. And we can do anything that you can imagine. Oh yeah, to show you guys the before and the after. Got that on eBay. I think the guy had it for like $175. I put an offer of $99. He took it, which is really cool. So that I got to put on there. I forgot what's in the trunk. I know there's some stuff. You know, the only way to open a classic car. Oh yeah, more of my trim. Yeah, I was just given a whole bunch of stuff. You know, I never had visors for my car, and they're not really that good. You know, they're torn up, but I was given a bunch of stuff just to see what I was needing. And I've just been going through, you know, like these are all still really good condition. I think only one of them has a little ding in it. But just been going through and, you know, finding what's worth keeping, what isn't worth keeping. Got my SS trim, rubber gaskets for the trunk. The trunk has been repaired. There used to be huge holes right here. We put new box braces in, which you've seen in previous episodes. So those are all good to go. Oh, those original brackets are so hard. I still got to buy the, I forgot, Eddie Motorsports or whatever. I still got to buy the trunk hinges for this car. We'll do a final adjustment. You know, one of the gaps in this side is a little tighter than this side, but we can move the lid over once we get those other hinges. I didn't want to do it with the new hinges. Figured put the new hinges on and then adjust them. But just wanted to kind of give you guys a walk around, kind of bring Lemon Lime out, let her stretch her legs. You know, she's been cramped up in the coop for a while. There's still things I got to do. So some of the delay in building this car and why the car is just kind of sat is I have this fuse panel that is hooked up currently, but there just isn't a meter on the pole. And say probably 4 or 5 months ago in October, I think, I called Duke about getting a meter put in this unit, and I was given a whole bunch of wrong information. So when I communicated with Duke, it was just the wrong information. But my plans, I called them last week and they're gonna have a guy come out. My plans are to hook that box back up, get a meter, and then I want to put a compressor over in that corner, big like 100-gallon compressor. I'd like to buy a welder, and I'd like to turn this shop back into a shop where I can do things with tools, because I hate electric tools and all my air tools are locked in my box. So that's part of the reason a lot of things are just kind of sat still is I don't have a way to do things. Got my low rider bike hiding. Got some OG springs. I got my trunk lid, which will be customized in a future episode. This is the mock-up because I have an idea of what I want to do to this, and if it works, I'm going to do it to this. stay tuned for that. Well guys, I think that's a wrap for this episode. I want to kind of keep it short, just show you a little glimpse of where we've been, where we're going, and give you an idea that things are still working, things are still in motion. Just took a little break. So we're getting back to it. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of couch content, give you something to watch, and let you know that Lemon Lime is home. Just been chilling in the cave. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.